Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Dynamic Employee Experience and Reliving Letter report in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module simplifies the process of generating experience and reliving letters for employees. With dynamic templates, businesses can customize and generate professional letters instantly, ensuring accuracy and consistency. The module automates employee data retrieval, reducing manual work and enhancing HR efficiency. This helps organizations streamline offboarding processes while maintaining compliance and professionalism in employee documentation. First of all, we will go into the employee module. Here you can see all the employees. Here, under configuration, go into the settings and here you will find a menu named Employee Experience Reliving Letter Content. Under that, you will find a field named Select Template. In that, when you click on that, you can see the multiple option of templates you can select. Here I am selecting blue and white template. Under that, you will find a field name Employee Experience Letter. In this field, you need to add the content for your experience letter for employee. Here you can see the content. Under that, you will find a field name Employee Reliving Letter. Here you need to add the content for your reliving letter to the employees. Here you can see the content for your reliving letter. After that, click on Save to save all this information. Now again, we will go into the employees and we will select any one employee. Here I am selecting Abigail Peterson as my employee. Here you can see all the information of this employee. Now, in the Action button, you will find a menu name Employee Experience Report. Click on that and here a wizard will pop up. Here you can see the letter issue date, employee and job position. Under that, you will find a field named Start Date. Enter your start date. Here I am entering 25 March 2024 as my start date and I am entering present date as my end date. Now click on Print Employee Letter, click on Continue and you can see your experience letter is downloaded. Here click on the downloaded experience letter and here you can see the experience letter. Here you can see the company logo. Here you can see what it is and here you can see the letter issue date. And here you can see the employee name and all the content we added in the configuration. This is all your experience letter. Now again, in Action button only, we will find a menu named Employee Reliving Report. Click on that. Again, a wizard will pop up. Here you need to add a start date. I will be adding 25 March 2024 as my start date and the present date as my end date. Now if you click on the print employee letter, you will have a validation error. Please enter your tenure. I am adding 1 year as my tenure and now I will be printing my employee reliving letter. Here you can see a letter is downloaded. Now here you can see the company logo. Here you can see the title and under that you can see the issue date of the letter with employee name and all the content you added in the settings. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.